Hey y'all, today I am making dirty rice. But today, I think I made dirty rice not long ago, like South Georgia style maybe. But this time I'm making it like Cajun style because they use chicken livers. And that's what we're making ours with. And we're gonna start with a pound of diced chicken livers and a pound of bulk sausage. And I want to warn y'all against chicken livers because they will pop and they will hurt you. So I just want y'all to be mindful of that. I'm gonna bust up my sausage a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna put the lid on this so that sausage won't hurt me. So the chicken livers won't hurt me. I feed my dogs a lot of chicken livers, and I put a little bit in the microwave, and great time of day for them, like 15 seconds, not long at all. And it sounds like popcorn. So don't let it get you. With this being chopped, maybe it won't put my other good eye out. But we're gonna cook this until it's kind of brown, and then we're gonna add our veggies over here, our bell pepper, our celery, and our onions to it. I've got my rice cooking back here. I'm gonna put the lid on that so that liver won't get me. Because it hurts when it gets you. So we're gonna let that cook. And it's an easy, easy, easy dish. Okay, y'all, our meats are browned. Now I'm gonna add my onions. My celery. And I'm gonna continue to cook this until, and bell pepper. I'm gonna continue to cook this until our vegetables are soft. Okie dokie, I got my rice here. And I'm gonna mix my meat and veggies into the rice. And it looks like I'm gonna be the only one enjoying this wonderful dish. I don't think my cohorts are gonna want any.
You're on your own.
Michael will love it.
Michael will love it. And he'll be heating his up, heat-wise. Not temperature, but heat-wise. I love me some dirty rice. Just have to mix it in real good. But I put absolutely no heat in it, so I may wind up putting just a little bit of heat in it. And I need about 1/4 of a cup of chopped parsley to put in there. And that looks like about 1/4 of a cup, maybe a little bit more, but it won't hurt nothing. It won't hurt nothing. It'll just make it a little prettier and greener. Gosh, that looks so good. Oh. It's a perfect breakfast. Yeah. I think I am going to get some of my hot sauce, though. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste it without hot sauce. And then I'm going to taste it with a little of this hot sauce. This hot sauce is so good, y'all. Really is good. You don't know what you're missing, Teresa. And Eddie.
I'm gonna trust you.
You have to like chicken liver, so. All right, so now with a little bit of my heat. Then I went to New Orleans to find that flavor that I wanted, and they helped me with that flavor profile of my hot sauce. I like it with a little heat, and I'm a sissy. I hope y'all will try it because it really is delicious. So don't be a sissy. Don't be a sissy, Teresa. Put on your big girl britches and taste it.
I don't have it today. I left them home.
She ain't got on no pants today. How about that? Okay. Love and best dishes, y'all. And remember, don't let anybody take the joy out of your living. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.